Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to day 80 of The Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spilt Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day project where if you only had 10 minutes of your day, you try to make something within that time frame. So on the last session, we completed this little layout right here. So today, we're going to be starting on the very last page of the book. So I'm going to be, after I do that, I'm going to be doing some work with this little small mini journal. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with it because I am going to be using Happy Meal. But I'm probably going to make some like mini layouts, or we'll see what we can come up with. All right, so today I might use this too. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this back in here where it goes for now. And we're going to start on our very last page. So this actually, I think I'm going to make this 3 sessions instead of just only day 80. It's going to be 80, 81, and 82. Yeah, because I'm going to be doing some painting, and I'm going to finally use this napkin like I've been planning. So let me go ahead and start the timer for 20 minutes, and I'll speed through the first 20 minutes, and then I'll talk during the last. So let's get started. Okay, so time's up for the first 10 minutes, or 20 minutes. So now we're going to start on our last 10 minutes. Okay, so what I've done so far is I had some scrap paper left over from, this was coffee dyed paper that I gotten from Cheryl of the Whole Bucket. And I had it left, so I think I'm just going to add this on here. Maybe add some of these, I think I'll put it kind of up that way, and then have this down here. And then I'm just going to add some more stuff here and there, you know, maybe a flower somewhere. Let's see, postcard. I think I might add her. I don't know. We'll see. see here. And let's see, I've already got a dress. Maybe I'll do a dress form instead of adding her. Yeah, I think I will add that on there. And perhaps add that. Let's see. And I may even add this. I've gotten this from Penny Souther. This is one of her, let's see. I don't know if it'll match though. Might use it on something else. That's not going to really match with what I've got. Trying to figure out what I want to use. I'm just trying to use up like stuff that I've already got that it's already ready to be used, if you know what I mean. But I don't want to overcrowd my layout. I don't think I need that. It's just trying to find the right stuff to use with the right balance. Oh yeah, here's some butterflies. And these are butterfly stickers that I had gotten from Talisha, from the Sweets by Talisha. So I think I could definitely use 2 of these. I think that they would look pretty good. And basically, since this is going to be completing the book, well, almost completing the book, because the back, I might be able to still do some stuff with the back. I don't know. We'll see. But my next few sessions, after I do some layouts in the little mini journal, I might just complete the sessions just doing stuff related to the this season, like the fall, because I haven't really done any fall stuff. So I want to try to cram in some 10-minute fall crafts, paper crafts, or who knows, maybe even fabric crafts. We'll see. Because I do like fall, but I haven't really had a whole lot of time to make a lot of it. Let's see. That's probably what I'll do. I'll finish this page today, and then we'll do some little mini journaling. I'll probably use pet tape and stuff like that inside the little mini journal, which is, I think that'll be perfect for it. And because I've got some small little pieces of paper that I could use. I could use scraps and some of the other Happy Meal that I've received that are like really small, and use the pet tape and just make some little mini layouts. That's pretty fun, and usually only takes about 10 minutes to do some of those. So I might have to use my little pliers, not pliers, but my what do you call those little things that you hold in your hand? Tweezers. These little things. Oh, I can never think of the name of stuff. But yeah, I'll probably have to use some of those for the little mini journal, depending on how big or small the pet tape and little images and things like that are. But yeah, that's a good way for me to use them up, because I've got quite a bit. And I do like using them. I just haven't. All right, so let's go ahead and decorate this real quickly. We've got 5 minutes. So I do know for sure that I want this to go here. And I guess since I'm going to go ahead and just glue this on here. Well, I think I'll do, I think this needs to go on this side. I think I want to add something else coming down from here. Like maybe, no, maybe not that, but, oh, I'm so indecisive. Oh, I could just, maybe this, turn it like that. Yeah, I'll do it like that. And then I'm gonna add some glue to this. Even though I'm not real, oh, I always put it on the wrong side. I kind of wish I would have put another color of something back there. I need something, even if it's just a circle or something, like blue or some kind of contrasting color. By the time I find it, the glue will be stuck, so. Or, green? No, that doesn't really match. It's fine. Oh, I could use this right here. This little piece of green right here, even though it is kind of thin. I'm just going to stick this like right here. That way it kind of plays in together with these, and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this down, and it's a pocket. It's a pocket within a pocket, if you know what I mean. I've got like 5 minutes, I think, or no, not even 5 minutes. I think like 3 minutes. We're gonna get this done. And put this here. And put the word postcard on there. I wish it was like in black. Yes, I did. We're gonna get this done, and we're gonna get it done quickly. Like 2 minutes. Oh, well, I guess I'm gonna have to have an extra day for this. Thought I was gonna get it done. Well, if I'm just over 1 more minute, I don't think it'll hurt too badly. I just want to finish this postcard. And then we're just gonna put this here. And then, I'm not going to use that. This is going to be kind of empty. But I will use this. I'm just going to glue this on to the black, or part of the black anyway. And then I'm just going to tear part of it. And I'm going to glue this on here all the way down. Guys, I'm not going to take too long. I'm almost done. I just wanted to finish it. That's all. I'm going to get our little circle on here. And this little ruler going across. And that kind of ties these two together a little bit. And then we're going to put this right down here. And this little piece of newspaper or book or whatever it is, that way we got some on both sides. Put this here. Put this here. We'll put it there. Go ahead and get our little Eiffel Tower. Where should I put the Eiffel Tower? Here or here? I think I'm gonna put the Eiffel Tower here. And I'm gonna put the butterfly down here, and that's gonna be it. I might put on a little bit of spritz, and we'll call it a day. We'll call this layout complete. Simple and complete. It could have used some stamps, but I'm good. All right. We'll just put a little here, a little there. All right, it's plain, but I mean, it's a layout and it's done. So let's move this out the way. And this is what we have for days, what did I say? 80, 81, and 82? Yeah. So, let me do a little close up. You can see. Got us our little pocket back here, pocket here, and some journal writing space. And that's it for this right here. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.